The news breaking on the Nambi Narayanan case. Republic TV has accessed the FIR in the Nambi Narayanan espionage case. Nambi Narayanan fake case, that was filed. This is the breaking news update coming in. We've accessed details of the FIR, and the story is being broken by Ashwin Nandakumar from Kerala. Ashwin, what is the, I have the FIR copy in my hand. Some of the names of details of known, suspected, unknown accused. I'm just reading out the names and I'll hand it over to you, Mr. S. Vijayan, Inspector, Mr. Thampi Durgadat, Mr. V.R. Rajwan, K.K. Joshua, Ravindran, Sibi Matthew, R.B. Srikumar, C.R.R. Nair, Assistant Director, Trivandrum, G.C.S. Nair, K.V. Thomas, P.S. Jayaprakash, Baburaj, Matthew John, John Punnen, Mr. Baby, Mr. Dinku, Matthias, V.K. Maini, Jogesh, S. Jogesh. 18 accused named in this FIR. 18 accused named in this FIR. This is the FIR that has been filed by the CBI in Delhi. Take us through the details and why this is significant, Ashwin. I have the FIR copy with me. Go ahead. Handing it over to you.
Niranjan, what is most interesting, we had got a hint that there are 18 accused, but now we know who are the 18 accused who has been charge sheeted in the FIR by the CBI. We also, among the 18 accused are high-ranking officials, includes the former DIG, the former DGP, the many top officials from the law enforcement in Kerala, the IB officials including. So that is what makes this case a prolific case, a big case, because the accused are the top law enforcement officials from the state of Kerala. What is most important, Niranjan, is point number 7 of this FIR, which also gives us, in fact, the glimpse about what exactly is the content of the Jain Commission report. Because we all know the Jain Commission report is definitely confidential, but here in this FIR we get a glimpse of it, and that is what makes this a big breaking news, because this FIR details what are the violations, what are the crimes that has been done by the accused, which is taken from the excerpts of the Jain Commission report. And I just want to quote some of these things, some of the main important things, which includes confinement of Mariam Rashida without registration of FIR, flouting of several mandatory procedures related to depriving a person, including a foreigner. Records of investigation have not been submitted, and without any basis, many people were taken into custody. A deliberate leaking of information to the press by the investigating agency to create a narrative implicating the scientists of ISRO. It also gives very startling information which talks about arrest of certain people, and that has been fabricated. It also talks about the torture of Sri Nambi Narayan, Mr. K. Chandrasekhar, by the interrogators while the accused were in police custody. So these 8-9 points, which are point number 7 mentioned in the FIR, details which gives us the glimpse of what exactly is the summary of the Jain Commission report, which has been submitted in the Honorable Supreme Court, because of which the CBI is right now, the Delhi team has come down to Kerala to investigate this matter and take this forward. Niranjan.
Now, Nambi Narayanan himself is not speaking much about it, right? He's not speaking much about it, Ashwin, but what is the CBI looking into in this case? On how he was allegedly fixed, is that correct? Because some officials have gone on record to contest some of those claims that were made.
Absolutely. Accused number 1, 2 and 4 has already applied for anticipatory bail. In fact, accused number 4 and 1 and 2 has already secured their anticipatory bail, and on the condition that they will not leave the country. And they have already taken an anticipatory bail stating that they will have to pay a surety of 1 lakh rupees and 2 people standing as security, as surety. So
breaking news now coming in. Breaking news. Stay with me. Manjinder Singh Sirsa speaking on News 18 agency ANI on the big conversion